When your mom brings you, yes, me, food hunting. Look, mom is hunting for food. You must wait. You must wait for mom. Look, 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 everybody. She found the worm. She found the worm. Mm-hmm. Now we must bring it back. We must bring it back to the little spoiled brat. Yay! Now we must go and find another. Uh-oh. Find another worm for the little brat. Hmm? Oh, oh, we found something. Here you go, Junior. Knees. Mom is looking for food. Oh, she got it. Oh, she got it. Oh, look, 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 look. Somebody come and look. Mm-hmm. Mom, can I get another worm, please? Please. Please, can I get another worm? Are you sure? Okay, I'll find you one, honey. You with your big, big self can't find one. I will find one for you. Hey, look at this big, juicy, fat worm. Oh, Mom, that is so delicious. Can I taste it, please? Please, please. Yes, yes. Yes, Mom. Thank you so much. You're the bestest mom in the world. The best. Oh, another one. Another one, Junior. Good grief. He's juicy. Come here, come here. I can't even hold him. Here we go, Junior. Yes.